Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I am so excited to be sharing a birthday haul. Now, my birthday was May 21st. It is now today, August 20th. Tomorrow is officially August 21st, 3 months after my birthday. So I'm a little behind filming this, but it worked out this way. So now I get to show you all of the products, some new, some I bought again because I love them so much, and you're gonna see how I glammed up my face with my birthday haul items that I received from, or that, excuse me, that I purchased and maybe received, depending if it was like my little birthday gift, from Sephora and Ulta. So if you would like to see how I glammed up my face and what I used, what products, what brands, then of course, don't go anywhere. Stick around with me and keep watching. And if you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. All right. Now first we're going to go ahead and pull back these curls so they're out of my way. And once that is complete, it is time to jump into the birthday haul. So let's dive right in and see what we got. First, I have here my favorite brow pencil. So this is the Brow Wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I usually get soft brown, but I noticed when I was double checking this color, I got ash brown. I don't usually use that color, but it actually matches pretty well with my brows, so I might actually switch to this color. But I'm going to show you here how I make my non-existent brows exist. So I'm just kind of mapping out where those hairs should be, just very light strokes, and keep filling in until I have my desired shape. Oh, and this is a repurchase, and I will continue to do just that. All right, this here, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. It's kind of like a repurchase. I haven't used it for years, so it's been like a while since I've last had it. And I was out doing my birthday shopping. I saw it and I was like, I gotta get this again. So here it is. I'm gonna be trying it again. And I have to say, guys, I loved it just as much as I did in the past. I don't know why I stopped using it, but here you can go ahead and watch and see how I apply the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. And I had to show close up. This does not settle in my fine lines under my eye. I absolutely love it. I will be purchasing this again. Okay, this right here. This is the Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil. I was so excited to try this. I realized it came out in '95. I wanted to try it for 30 years, and I finally have it. So this was actually my free birthday gift from Ulta. So I had a hard time trying to figure out how to open this, and I just realized on camera how to open it. So this is my first time using it on camera with you. So I figured it out. It's like genius packaging once you figure it out and everything. So once I did, I was so excited to use it. I also got these little powder puffs here from Eco Tools. This was also an Ulta purchase, and I absolutely love those as well. So I'm just adding the product, patting it in, and as you can tell in my face, I was like floored. It's just like, it's flawless, it's seamless, and it like blends away and just blurs like your pores and everything. I was so impressed. 100% these will be buy agains. This right here. Okay, so when I was out and about on my birthday, I was like, I need a new liquid eyeliner, and I found this bad boy right here from Stila. It's the Stay All Day dual-ended waterproof liquid eyeliner. So the one side has this larger side of a little felt tip, and then the other side is this super teeny tiny side. And I love them both. So with my smaller shaped eyes and hooded eyes, this is so great because I use the tinier side to kind of map out where I want my wing, if at all a wing, and then I just kind of fill it in a little bit, and then I will flip it around and I'll use the other side to continue the rest of the line. So I've been keeping it very thin lately, super tiny, and I've been loving it. quickly gonna breeze through the left eye. So once that is all done like magic, we're gonna put this puppy away. So hands off, and yes, I will repurchase. Ooh, right here I have one of the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencils. This is in the color Freak, and I love green, so I'm like, I had to have this color. And these Glide On pencils, it's not my first time using these. I have so many of them, and I'm still adding to my collection. So if you've never used them, I definitely encourage you to like pick some up and try them out. These are awesome. Mascara time. Now this is the Lancome Monsieur Big, and it is one of my favorite mascaras. This is a repurchase. I haven't had it for a hot minute, and I was out and about. I saw it, I was like, gotta have it. Now I don't know about you guys, when you like makeup, if it's like lipstick you're obsessed with, or eyeshadows, or eyeliner, or mascara. Mine is mascara. Let me know in the comments down below which type of like face makeup items you cannot stop purchasing. I gotta know. Oh, this right here. Okay, this is the first time that I've ever used anything from Rare Beauty, or the first time that I've used a liquid blush. So double whammy right here. This is in the color Hope. I actually came across it in the checkout line, so I'm there, you know, checking everything out like we do, and bam, I was like, let's give it a try. Let's do it. It's my birthday. We're doing some fun stuff. I love this liquid lipstick. Now, more recently, I am using one little dot on my cheek, and then I do blend it out with my fingers. I absolutely love how vibrant this color is, so you don't need a lot, just a little bit. And then once it's all blended out, I do go over and set it with a blush. And I absolutely love the results. And again, I can't wait to try more blushes and more products from Rare Beauty. I got two lips. I couldn't help myself. Now I'm going to go ahead and hold on to the Urban Decay. So this one right here is a liquid lipstick, but I'm going to save this for later for another tutorial coming up soon. And we're going to use the little duo pack from Charlotte Tilbury. So this has a lip liner and a lipstick. I'm going to go ahead and start with the lip liner. It is in Lip Cheat. So I'm just going to line my lips and then fill it in. And then once that is complete, I'm going to go over that with the lipstick in Pillow Talk. I absolutely love how this color turned out. Thumbs up, I approve. And we made it. Last item for the birthday haul, the Urban Decay All-Nighter Long-Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is a repurchase. I absolutely love it. I actually ran out at the time of my birthday, and I had to restock, so that's what I did. So nice big spritz, 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 and fan, fan, fan. And then real quick, I like to kind of mattify my little diamond zone. I don't call it the T-zone because I don't do my nose. So we get a little diamond zone, and then hands off, we are done. Got to do a quick fluff as well, and here is the full finished look using all of my makeup items from my birthday haul. And that is it. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me today and checking out this video. I had so much fun sharing and showing you my little birthday haul. And I hope you'll let me know in the comments down below if you've used any of these brands, any of these products, and also let me know some of your favorite brands and products. I always love trying new things, so let me know that down in the comments. All right, that is all I have for you guys today. So all of my makeup lovers, my curl friends, and my DIY nail techs, I hope you'll come back and join me next week for another video. Take care. Yes, I love it. Oh, is that Bowser? Hello, little man. Go ahead, lay down, look out the window. Go ahead, lay down. Wait for your dad.